So, ayan guys, good morning for today's video. Ayan, dito kami ngayon ulit sa site kasi waiting kami dun sa gagawa. So, dun sa magiging contractor namin. And this is the house update number 2. Ayan, and of course, shout out Sir Filda. Ayan, we're here. There's a rain, that's why we're with my ate and my mama. Ayan, nandiyan naka-blue. My mother is there. And, ayan, nandito kami. And, we're waiting. And, we're processing all the materials we need. We're just waiting. And, shout out Miss Daiselyn Castro. Ayan, thank you so much always. And, to my LTC family. Later again. So, paplanuhan na namin kung ano ang gagawin namin dito. Actually, na. May mga naguhukay na dito. So, ayun. Mamaya ulit. Ayan yung gagawa, guys. It's dirty! Dirty yan! So guys, dito kasi yung magiging hagdanan. Tapos doon pintuan, then may ano dyan, kusina, the kitchen, the stairs, going second floor. And here is the door. The door is here, and here is a window. Something like that. May window dyan. Yan. Dito na daw po yung magiging pinto.
Hindi, pumili kayo ng isip ko yung mas maganda sa inyo. Yung pabor sa inyo, hindi kami. Hindi lang kami nagawa lang. Diba?
They are planning.
Dapat mas maluwag kayo. Oo. Dapat dito.
Hanggang dito na. Para makapulo ka po ay
Dito na daw po yung ano, pinto. The door, the stairs. Ayan. Ayan. Naglilista na po ng ano, ng materyales. Ayan. Nilista na po. Listing the materials, everyone. So,
nakakuha na sila ng palaro. Oh.
So, ayun na nga po at natapos na ang ating update ngayon and nakapag-planning na. Ayan, nakausap na din namin. We talk to the contractor and ayan, meron na rin yung lista ng mga ano. Actually, tomorrow, ayan, mag-start na sila maghukay tomorrow and for the meantime, yun lamang po yung update at yun lamang po ang ginawa ngayong araw, ang update ngayong araw and yon, before we buy all the materials we need to have a permit. That's why for now we need to have a permit so that the materials is going to the site. We have a permit, something like that. And that is all for today, and thank you so much again to all the viewers, to our foreign friends, to Sir Filda, Miss Daiselyn Castro, shout out, and to my LPC family, maraming salamat and abangan po ang ano pa magiging update natin sa mga susunod, and thank you so much guys for watching. Bye everybody.